In this video, we're going to show how to create a new page in Antilles. From the dashboard, I'll click on Pages. This shows a list of all pages on your site. Next, I'll click Add New, and then choose Page from the drop-down. To create a page, all I need is a title, a menu name, which is filled in automatically, and some content. When I'm finished, I'll click Save and Return. I'm now returned to my list of pages, and I can see the page I just created at the bottom. I can also preview this page on my site by clicking Preview. It's that easy to create a new page in Antilles.